Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely lovely facelift model Volvo V40 R design. It's got unmarked diamond cut alloy wheels, finished in beautiful grey, rear privacy glass, rear park distance control. It's the D2. It's got the full R design body styling kit, twin exhausts. Absolutely fantastic condition. It's just going to be serviced, just going to be MOT'd. Boot area's in lovely condition. It's got the rear parcel shelf. It's got a lovely full leather interior with white stitch piping. Usually our designs are half leather, half Alcantara. Full leather, electric windows, electric mirrors. This also has the benefit of being a satellite navigation model. It's an 83,079 miles. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, 3-stage heated seats, 6-speed gearbox. You've got knobs as well. Our design leather steering wheel. The media pack, Bluetooth, satellite navigation. All there. The leather is lovely. The SAT NAV, DAB radio. So 3-stage heated seats. It's got all the extras. At DJH, full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.